The 4-ball. Hit!
The Fritzl, guarded by Greenberg. Fritzl steps back for 4. Deep.
Stop. I'm doing score now.
Oh, shit!
The green, that's a 3.
Stolen by Greenberg. Team Clamp flew up to the name.
Great defensive IQ right there. Something Reset taught him.
David fades. Banks it in. Fritzl. It's a lob to Noah Ferg. Rebound Harden. Wide open for 3. Banks it in. Nick Harden. Lobs it up. Oh my goodness.
Nick, get it. Harden right now.
Blocked by Greeny. But he gets the rebound and lays it
6
in.
to 5.
Hezzies. Drops it down to Ferguson. Harden. Oh, Greenberg. Doesn't shoot it, but Harden pulls a 3, and it's good. They won the 3 instead to tie the game.
Prediction was the team that wins the second game is winning the series.
Oh, for real. Fritzl throws it down. Harden for 3.
3, 2, 1.
Got it off. Fritzl going inside. Lays it in. David can attack. Boda's always going to be the low post presence. They're all good at defense.
Because I went to
On the Boda.
Grayson's for a basketball game.
Oh, Boda! Stolen by Boda. Greeny's shoe is messed up. Greeny hits the 3 though. Boda.
Boda's taking it himself.
He could probably close the goal. It's going Fritzl in his way. Yeah, I was gonna say. Fritzl inside. Lays it in.
He wanted to say something right there. 10, 9, 8.
Fritzl throws it down. Blocked by Cole. Open. Hit. David lays it in. It was his shoulder.
Help!
Oh my God! David! And for 3.
Big shot.
Hits! He tricked it. But it's tipped it again by Cole the second time this series. Fritzl. Step back for 4. Bottoms. Steph was obviously the best player on the court, but Iggy played good defense. That's literally the only reason he won.
Was Isaiah getting MVP?
Stolen by David. Big shot.
3.
Oh!
God.
He got a hand on that.
Green?
4-pointer. 3-point. Shooting. He's not shooting. Big 4.
He's shooting.
Bottoms! Oh man. Green lays it in.
Dunked.
Greenberg couldn't grab it. 4.
Grayson's mom makes a bold statement.
Cole throws it down.
44, BTB's up.
David. No good. Tipped in by David.
Minute 14
That wasn't
left.
over. That wasn't over.
For a
I'm
minute.
just following Noah. Whoever gets the ball.
Shut up.
Wide open.
Shut up.
He hits. That was a questionable question.
Greeny's shoes better fall off.
Tipped in by Boda.
9-point game with 19 seconds left. You're
9.
up 9.
Throw down by David.
I don't know what
touched it.
happened
He touched it. It's the 4 off. It rims in and out again, and that's the game.